G'day kids, how you all doing? So bit of a special one today, bit of an Italian special one you might say. I'm sat here on the beautiful Lake Garda in Italy. So yeah, one of my better business trips this, I must admit. Pretty lucky. But I thought, why not use the opportunity to do a review of the Adidas ITALIA, or the ITALIA 74s, whilst sat here on this beautiful lake. So as you can see, beautiful shoe this, probably one of the cleanest shoes that Adidas have ever made. Really nice, clean lines. Very similar in fact to the version of the Samoa that was released in the UK a long while back. So it's really, I mean, when you put them side by side, there is a difference. So I would, you know, I'd sort of put them in the same family as those, but these are a much nicer shoe in my opinion. So yeah, beautiful shoe, and really set off in these beautiful surroundings. So it's just a bit of fun today really kids, just want to tick over on the channel. Right now I'm off for a walk around the lake to find a nice pizzeria and get myself a nice Italian beer or two. So as always kids, yeah, thanks for tuning in, take care of yourselves, catch you next time, see you later. Grazie.
Become a bad dream. People